Okay, home. And this is my 150th video. So my 150th video, I was gonna say some stuff, I guess. Hades. Okay, so basically I'm releasing truck driver videos now because that's all I can do. I can't travel right now. I can maybe camp kind of, but you know, when you've been on the road all the time, you come home, you don't want to camp. You're kind of camping every night in your truck. When I come home, I mostly edit videos and just try to relax. And I got some videos that aren't great. Those shorter ones are sometimes not so good. And you might be wondering, I try to release one once a week, and you might be wondering why if they're not good. It's because every time I release a video, my views go up, even if it's not that video. I don't know how the algorithm works exactly, but I get more views on days I release videos, even if it's not the actual video that I released. So yeah, there's that. I'm home for some home time, and I got a guest, my old friend Dan from high school.
Well, hello everyone.
Hey Dan, what's up?
Absolutely nothing.
Anything you would like to say to the world?
Yeah, I suppose. Don't take yourself so seriously. It really isn't that important. No one really cares except the people who live with you. So stop seeking validation and approval from people you don't know online, because those people really don't care about you anyway.
Well said, sir. So, talking to Dan was interesting. We had a long talk. It was pretty cool. We realized the two things that affected people we knew or people we still know the most, you know, since high school, is cancer and divorce. I can't edit in my truck because it's too claustrophobic. It's too cramped. I tried, I just can't do it. It makes me too uncomfortable having all my stuff out. It's not a huge amount of space in there. I just can't do it. I tried. I stayed the night at a hotel when I got a little extra time. If I got 20 hours or so, I'll sometimes stop at a hotel and try to get some editing done there. But I can't do it in the truck. It's just too tight. Modelo, they were out of Blue Moon. So anyhow, that's why there won't be too many camping or traveling videos in the near future. I will get back to those, but for now it's going to be trucking. Another thing I wanted to mention, when I have my hair is very thin and fine, and I've lost half of it since I was driving a truck, because I usually like to brush it right after a shower. Not right after, like 20 minutes after a shower, so when it's dried enough. And I just end up, you know, I sometimes go 2-3 days without a shower, and it gets matted and knotted real easy. So when I brush it, I rip a lot of it out. And I think as a truck driver, for the time being, I probably should not keep my long hair. So there's Percival. Anything you want to say to the world?
Life is rough.
Okay, and Percival's gonna help me with something. Yeah, so that's done. Guess I'm going for the Rob Halford look. Bye.
Bye, love
Love
you.
ya.
Your
Yes. Okay, so I'm on the road again in Tacoma / Southern Seattle. It's supposed to be a camping trip when I went home that time. It wasn't much of a camping trip. My brother and his family were there, but for one reason, mainly they didn't want to be filmed. I didn't get to film any of them. Glad I got to see Dan though. What else? I think not the majority, but the number one is still a lot less than 50%. Country that people watch this channel from is Malaysia. A lot of them were interested when I was talking about Malaysia, but I don't think a lot of them watch anymore. I get it if you're not interested in truck driving videos. I got a few in Thailand, some more in Philippines, but it seemed when I was in Malaysia, a lot of Malaysian people started watching the channel, but I think they've stopped. In North Dakota, near Bismarck. What else I want to say in this video? God, I gotta get this done. It's supposed to be done at home. I'm gonna try to start a new channel, maybe 6 months or so from now. It'll be like a story channel, where I get old public domain stories and maybe new stories from people I know, and then put, like, you know, AI images and stuff on it and read stories. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, and my last channel that I started, a movie channel, I quit that. I got a few videos, but they probably too much copyright for YouTube, so I don't know how I'll get them out anywhere for now. I'm in Wisconsin. I didn't get a shower today. It's been 2 days. I won't get a shower till tomorrow, so it'll be 3 days. I hate when this fucking shit happens. What else do I want to say for this stupid video? Yeah, I don't want to be doing this much longer. I'll have other videos about other shit. I don't like this job. You notice I drop a lot of F-bombs lately. I didn't used to do that. Sometimes I'm joking, but sometimes, I don't know, this job just sucks. Can't believe I'm still making this video. Okay, I'm in Mount Pleasant, Iowa. I had to go to Chicago yesterday. That was nasty. I don't like it. Near Chicago. What else I want to say? You see me wearing these shirts a lot. I wear them as a jacket. I wear them as a normal shirt. And I wear them as a jacket sometimes because they have pockets. So during the summer, I wear these things because none of my t-shirts have pockets. I like pockets. What else? I've noticed lately, the last 2-3 weeks, I've been getting subscribers based on truck driving videos. And for like 6 months prior to that, I was not. So that's cool, but I still won't be doing the truck driving videos forever. Maybe one more thing to say later. I need to finish this video. I'm in Pontoon Beach, Illinois. At a terminal. I want to get this video done. I think I have one more thing to say. And that was, you might look at my videos and count them if you're weird. I don't do that on other people's channel. You might say, hey, you only got 148 videos. I've taken 2 down. I've taken 1 down, and by the time this is released, I should have taken the other one down. The first one was a Chinese student gave me a video he wanted to put up. And I checked it. It was weird animation, speaking Chinese, and some weird song. I had no idea what it was about. So I asked other Chinese people. I didn't just randomly put it up. They had no idea what it was about. But I don't know. It came out near the anniversary of the Tiananmen Square massacre. Was around when I posted, and I didn't really care so much about me. No one in China really watches YouTube, but I was worried about the student. So it was posted for a little while, and then someone said, hey man, there's tanks and shit in there. You're living in China. You better watch what you post. And so I didn't want the student to get in any sort of trouble. So I took that one down and made it private. Then I watched a lot of Steve Wallace videos, and his wife had passed maybe 2 years ago, and I put up a video about that. I don't think I should have done that, so I'm going to take that one down too. I don't think it was my place, and it looks like I was just trying to, I don't know, get popularity or something off that. I mean, I wasn't, but that's what it looks like. Steve Wallace responded. He said thank you, and he said he subscribed to my channel. So that was pretty cool. And really, that's who the message was for. He got it. No reason for it to be up there. So I'm going to take that one down too. Probably in the future I'll take a lot more down. So that's why this is my 150th video, but it looked like maybe my 148th. And I think I'm done with this stupid video, man. God, I've been back out on the road 2 weeks. Yeah, don't matter. I can't edit it until I get home again next time anyway. Okay, so my GoPro didn't grab a video I wanted it to grab. My my last one. By the way, I'm home again. Look how much my hair's grown in, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks. When I was talking about Steve Wallace, I forgot to mention Crazy Neighbor Passed. That sucks. And he was actually, you know, on camera a lot. He seemed like a cool guy. If you don't know, Steve Wallace has a camping channel, and I recommend you watch it. And, you know, if you like it, you like it. You don't, you don't. It's camping. But if you don't like it, I mean, just stop watching, right? You don't have to leave a dumb comment. You don't have to leave a dislike. I'm of the opinion you should really only pick your battles and dislike serious stuff. When you find mildly annoying stuff, like people who don't believe Wyoming exists, or people who believe the earth is flat, or people who would pick any one of the prequels over any one of the original trilogy Star Wars. You know, these people, just leave them alone. Stop watching. You got to pick your battles. A serious fight, right? You'd have to give a dislike to someone who's like a murderer, right? Or someone who thinks Amber Heard is a good actress, or someone who likes Disney Star Wars. You know, that's serious stuff, right? I could understand leaving a dislike for that. That's fighting stuff there. Other than that, I'm done. Later.